Hi guys, welcome to UK Guide. In this lesson, we'll be learning the brand new song from the movie Batti Gul Meter Chalu. It's an awesome song from Atif Aslam, originally composed by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Saab. But I think Rochak Kohli really did a great job. So a big kudos to them. And if you guys also excited to learn this song, so this lesson is for you. So take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you need to be sure that your ukulele is in tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 5 chords, and these chords are chord D minor, chord F, chord G, chord C, and chord B flat. Now to play chord D minor, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and your ring finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, and chord D minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string, and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C will sound like this. To play chord B flat, you need to bar 1st fret with your index finger like this. You need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, and then you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 4th string, and chord B flat will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. In this song, we are using a common strumming pattern, that is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So guys, when you will use this pattern in the song, the tempo of this pattern is pretty quick, so you need to practice it well before you can use it in the song. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how this pattern sounds on a particular chord. So right now we are holding chord D minor, and this pattern should sound like this. So guys, in case you find this strumming pattern a little bit difficult for you, then you can break it into parts and then you can try practicing it. So the first part of this pattern can be down, up. Okay, so just practice down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now the second part of this pattern will be again down, up. So you already practiced it, but you just try adding both the patterns together. So down, up, 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 down, up. Now in third part, we will be using a single downstroke. Okay, so we just need to do a downstroke like this. So when we'll add all these patterns together, they will sound like this. And guys, in case you find this strumming pattern a little bit difficult, then you can use an alternate version of this pattern that is a little bit easier, and that strumming pattern is down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So guys, while playing the song, we'll be using this pattern 1 time or 2 times per chord. So I will be displaying instructions for you over the screen, so it will further help you understanding things in better way. So as per my voice range, I'll be using a capo and placing it on 2nd fret. Now in case you find this little bit higher or lower for you, then you can either increase the length of this capo on the fretboard, or you can remove the capo. This is absolutely fine, and you can use the same chords what we are using in this lesson. So let's start playing the song. रज के रुलाया, रज के हंसाया, मैंने दिल खो कर इश्क कमाया। मांगा जो उसने एक सितारा, हमने ज़मीं पर चांद बुलाया। जो आँखों से वो जो आँखों से एक पल न ओझल हुए, वो जो आँखों से एक पल न ओझल हुए, लापता हो गए देखते देखते। सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम है, सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम है, क्या से क्या हो गए देखते देखते। सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम है, क्या से क्या हो गए देखते देखते। सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम है, सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम है, क्या से क्या हो गए देखते देखते। वो जो कहते थे बिछड़ेंगे हम ना कभी, वो जो कहते थे बिछड़ेंगे हम ना कभी, लापता हो गए देखते देखते। एक मैं एक वो और शामें कई, चांद रोशन थे तब आसमां में गई। एक मैं एक वो और शामें कई, चांद रोशन थे तब आसमां में गई। यारियों का वो दरिया उतर भी गया, और हाथों में बस रेत ही रह गई। कोई पूछे के कोई पूछे कि हमसे खता क्या हुई, कोई पूछे कि हमसे खता क्या हुई, क्यों खफा हो गए देखते देखते। आते जाते थे जो सांस बनके कभी, आते जाते थे जो सांस बनके कभी, वो हवा हो गए देखते देखते। आते जाते थे जो सांस बनके कभी, वो हवा हो गए देखते देखते, वो हवा हो गए देखते देखते। सो गाइज आई एम श्योर आपको ये लेसन पसंद आया होगा। इसी तरह के और लेसन्स देखने के लिए डू सब्सक्राइब टू मी एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन। In case you have a song request, then you reach out to me on Instagram. The handle is right here on your screen, and I will be more than happy to help you with your song requests. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.